Hi, everybody. We're going to talk a little bit about arches. So when everybody thinks of an arch, they always think, like a rainbow. And that's exactly right. That's what an arch is. But we're going to talk about them a little bit more technically today. So if you were just stacking a bunch of cubes, it would stack up and it would just go up straight, right? You put another one on top of it, you take one, and if you put another one on top of it, it would just go straight. But if we're building an arch, none of these are squares. They're all trapezoids. They're all not quite squares, which means that the next one's not going to be on top of it. And the one after it won't be on top of it. And eventually there'll be two stacks that have to depend on each other. They'll lean on each other. And in the end, we'll put in a special shaped block called a keystone that'll lock it all together. It's going to make a lot more sense in a couple of seconds. And this is what we're going to do. I have a group of volunteers here that are going to grab me blocks. And right now they're going to grab the number 1 block. So this will be our base. And I'll put one there and one there. The numbers facing. Perfect. And now we're going to get the number 2 blocks. So 1 and 2, you see they just stack up nice. But you can see it's not quite going straight. Now let's put the number 3, and you can see it's going to be even more off center. Right? They're getting so off center that I'm going to start to want to have to brace it. 3s will actually brace. But number 4. All right. And now you see it's way off. If I move my hands, they want to fall. So I'm actually holding it apart. And that's what there is. It's something called false work or shoring when they're building these to hold the shape while they're building it. And then it doesn't stay together until it's all locked in place. Number 5. And last but not least, number 6, which is the keystone. And you see it locks in place. Now we didn't use any glue, any nails, anything. All that's holding it together is gravity. Gravity does everything. The center of gravity was getting off center and a keystone locked it all together. And that's how an arch works. Thank you, everyone.